How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be going over with the weekly profiles. Uh, we're going to talk about why is it important to know weekly profiles, how can it be beneficial in your trading, and this is a really good indication to determine your bias on the market. And also, I'll talk about the high probability days to trade and etc. Before we start, I want to talk about the problem that I have seen on my YouTube channel. It's not like my problem, it's more like your problem, guys. I want to tell you that if your attention span is this low and you don't really want to like take your time, watch the video fully, and really get something from it and take notes, you're not going to be profitable in trading in general. If you if you can't even watch a 20-minute video and uh, don't determine your time, your energy to it, and not like when you if you don't really listen to it, you're not gonna be profitable in this industry, guys. Trading is not as easy as people seem to like show on TikTok, on YouTube, doesn't matter. These Lamborghinis, these mansions that they you think they buy from it, it's not as easy as they make it seem like, okay? So if you really want to gain knowledge, not only from this video, from other videos that I have recorded, sit down now, take notes, and listen to me. Not only me, you can listen to like I am ICT student, right? I learned this from him mainly. So anything in life, in general, you guys need to determine your energy to it and take notes as well. So keep that in mind. First of all, uh, what is a weekly profile? Weekly profiles are, uh, if you know where the weekly candle is most likely going to go, weekly profile helps you determine determine the narrative, right? It's gonna help you. How is it gonna go up there or down there? If you're bullish, how is it gonna go how is it going to go up, and if you're bearish, how is it going to go down. And it is very logical. There's no complex in it. It's really simple, and it's just a really good thing to have to determine your bias as well. So let's look at this. This is not my screens, guys. I learned from this and I had it in my notes. This is the screens that I'm going to show you, not mine. I don't know whose it is, but it's not mine. But we're here to learn, right? Okay. Let's look at this example here. This example shows that pro weekly candle is bullish. It's midweek bullish reversal. So this situation is like this bullish. This sorry. This weekly candle is bullish. Let's say we're bullish on the weekly. How is it gonna happen? There's two. Uh, there's couple options. We have two options, not couple options. We have two options. In this example, you can see Monday and Tuesday. It depends on the news as well. I'll talk about that after. But Monday and Tuesday here is consolidation, which is what mainly happens. Well, most of the times, not every time. No one can say that whatever the concept they're teaching it can happen every time. But most of the times, Monday and Tuesday is accumulation. If you're an ICT concept trader, you know that you don't trade accumulation. You trade manipulation and you trade distribution. Accumulation days are low probability days. So most of the times Monday and Tuesday are accumulation days. Then Wednesday manipulates all those lows or highs that the Monday and Tuesday make. In this case, it's bullish, so it manipulates lows. Goes into higher time frame PD array with this leg, and then from Wednesday to Thursday to Friday, price distributes to the upside, and we have TGIF on the last day. In this case, Monday and Tuesday are like small retracements to the PD array that we're waiting price to get there, and when it gets to the PD array. Wednesday is mainly, most of the times, Wednesday during the London Judah swing. Wednesday makes low of the week, and then price continues to distribute to the upside in this case. But keep that in mind that maybe sometimes Tuesday and Thursday can make low or high of the week as well. It depends on the market condition and way market structure forms. The bearish example is the same. We have consolidation Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday manipulation, and then distribution to the downside if the weekly candle is bearish. This is if the weekly candle is bearish, but price retraces to the PD array. As you can see, price goes up, retraces to the hard time frame PD array. Then Wednesday manipulates, Thursday and Friday distributes to the downside. Okay, let's see how. Let's look at the daily candles here. If Monday and Tuesday are, how will daily candles look? If Monday Tuesday is an accumulation, as you can see, Monday Tuesday accumulates. Wednesday manipulates all those lows, goes into the PD array. Maybe news does it. CPI, PMI, PPI, doesn't matter. I'll talk about that. Wednesday manipulates and distributes as well. Like starts the distribution phase. Thursday and Friday is a distribution. Same on the bearish variant. Let's look at the retracement part. Like Monday, Tuesday retraces. Wednesday, maybe Tuesday already retraced, and maybe Wednesday didn't retrace. But Wednesday is mainly low of the week, and Thursday and Friday is really high probability days because of that, and which is because they're distribution days. And we have TGIF on Friday as well. Like I'm not going to talk about TGIF today, maybe in the next video. So same on the bearish, Monday, Tuesday retracement, Wednesday manipulation, the low or high of the week, and Thursday and Friday distribution. Let's look at these examples here. We have previously, like maybe previous week, we had an expansion. We had a good move. We have displacement on the market, which indicates the price is going to continue going that way. All right. So as you can see, Monday and Tuesday is retracement to this fair value gap, which is a PD array. Also, at the it comes to the discount as well. Wednesday is the last move to the downside, which is a manipulation leg. This leg is manipulation of the whole week as well, and also this daily candle. If you know Power of Three, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make a Power of Three video next video. No, uh, okay. So Thursday and Friday is distribution to the upside. Same on the bearish. We have this bearish fair value gap and this dealing range that we're trading. Price goes to the premium. Wednesday makes high of the week, and Thursday and Friday distributes to the downside. Let's look at this example. I really want your attention here because when price has this shallow movements, this accumulation, maybe like maybe week before, had didn't really have a good uh, good move. Market didn't move as much, which is consolidation. Monday and Tuesday will accumulate as well, like they will follow the previous accumulation. Wednesday will manipulate all those lows, and Thursday and Friday will distribute mainly. Same here when consolidation happens. Previous week, Monday, Tuesday will continue those consolidations. Wednesday manipulates, and Thursday and Friday distributes to the downside. Let's look at the economic calendar narrative. Guys, most traders in the industry say that when we have high impact news, you shouldn't trade that day. That is false, and uh, they pretty much don't know what they're talking about because the economy calendar is your guide on the market. Why? Monday, Tuesday, as you can see, we don't have news here in this example. We don't have news there, which means price doesn't have volatility in the market, which indicates and proves that Monday and Tuesday will most likely going to be and accumulation on the market. Wednesday will be the manipulation, which economic calendar tells you that as well, because we have CPI news, which most likely going to manipulate the market, and Thursday and Friday with news distribute to the like higher time frame drawn liquidity. But you should always trade after news, guys. You should. Maybe if you're a new trader, if you're a beginner trader, you should avoid these days. But when you have a model on the market and when you know what you're doing, you should trade after news, because that's when the volatility comes, and volatility is your friend on the market. Also, if time aligns, the price will, if time is right, price will distribute. So we got this. So Monday, Tuesday accumulation or retracement, Wednesday manipulation, and PDRA reversal, and Thursday, Friday expansion continuation. Let's look at these high probability days. Wednesday is rated with 3.5 because it manipulates and distributes as well. It's a reversal day mainly, speculative manipulation. Thursday is high probability day. It's ideal day of the week within profile, as this screen says. I'm just reading here. Previously confirmed the reversal and bulk of range expansion. Thursday is really high probability day. It doesn't mean you're gonna win every trade on Thursday, but overall, most of the time Thursday is high probability. And Friday is high probability day as well, because it is a continuation of Thursday's move, and we have TGIF there as well. This is a daily profile. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. If anyone wants me to talk about more on profiles overall, maybe indices intraday profile as well, I can make another video about that. Or if you want me to teach you privately, you can join my Discord and hit me a DM, like Lilith that I made here. So now I'm going to go over with the market examples. So let's go over with this example. As you can see, price had an expansion previous week or week before. We have a fair value gap left. If you know what short-term low is, and if you saw my video about this, you're gonna know this is a short-term low. The price left, which is price could easily take it out and continue going its way, which usually is a turtle soup of the market. Let's have our dealing range here. We have this dealing range, and price, as you can see, shows that it wants to retrace. So we have Monday, Tuesday, accumulation, Wednesday, manipulation, goes into the PD array, goes into the discount as well, and Thursday and Friday distributes to the upside, and potentially next week we'll hit this swing high. We hit this swing high. Let's look at this example on ES now. As you can see, ES, let's look at the previous week first. We don't see news here, but I'm just reading the market here. I don't see news. News is a good indication as well. It's a guide on the market. But let's just talk about the price here. As you can see, previous week, Tuesday, like there was bank holiday Monday, probably because we don't have Monday here. Tuesday, retrace to the PD array, maybe our 4 hourly fair value gap or rejection block here. Retraced here. Wednesday made the low of the week, and Thursday and Friday distributed to the upside, right? So so let's see what next week's going to do. Most likely next week, most likely going to retrace into the PD array that we displaced. This is displacement of the market, right? Next week is good. We expect Monday and Tuesday to retrace if the news align as well, and Wednesday to be low of the week, or Tuesday and Thursday and Friday to distribute to the upside. We continue this move up, right? As you can see, Monday retraces, Tuesday retraces, Wednesday retraces as well. There's a manipulation of the lows, and we make low on Thursday. That's it. That's not wrong, because you could make that, like take out the low, and you could trade like it manipulates here as well. If you know Power 3, you know what I'm talking about. It manipulates this low as well, and it expands higher. Thursday and Friday distributes to this swing high that we have here. Okay, so let's we're on a queue again. Let's look at this example right here. As you can see, this end of the week. Let's go one more. Thursday and Friday we have accumulation, shallow movements, maybe because of news or market conditions, but we have accumulation there. So next week we expect Monday was bank holiday. As you can see, there's no Monday here. We Monday and Tuesday, Monday will be accumulation as well. Monday and Tuesday, sorry, Monday and Tuesday will be accumulation. We'll follow this accumulation here. Wednesday we manipulate all those lows and we continue going up. Why are we bullish here as well? Because we have other conviction as well, because we retraced to the discount, we had a reaction from it, and we also disrespected this bearish falling gap. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the market profile, which is a good confluence to our bias as well. So as you can see, Wednesday manipulates all those lows that we have here, even this short-term low, the swing high, and Thursday and Friday distributes to the upside. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, hit a like to help me out and subscribe as well. We're about to hit 200 subscribers, so if you want to contact me as well, you can join the Discord or follow me on Instagram and text me there. If that's okay. Uh, if you want me to teach you as well, you don't have to because I do this free on YouTube. I teach this to my students as well, but I do this free on YouTube as well. That's okay if you don't want me, you don't have money for it. That's really okay. That's how I learned. Thank you guys for listening. Have a great trading week. Hopefully you will use this in your trading. And goodbye.